cute ng dalawang batang to. Tingnan mo. Lapit sa magulang to mag-train na. Tingnan niya naman. Ayaw bang batulog na ano? Ginawa na lang silang pang-transport niya para mauwa yung gatas nila. Ito, super cute. Ang cute ng outfit to. Ay, hindi na rin susapin ito.
You're
Cute.
insecure,
Grabe.
don't know what for.
Yan ang ating fresh video.
When you walk through the
Guys,
door, don't need
puro
makeup.
cute lang tayo ngayon ng mga bata. Ang cute talaga, oh.
Is enough.
Bata pa. At ang lupit ang magulang nito. Magaling magturo. Ano, bata pala marunong mag-skateboard. Lupit! Yo guys, thank you for watching.
Hey now, this
Kung hindi
is
po
what
yung video, mag-share naman.
dreams are
Like and
made
follow naman
of.
po ang ating account. Thank you for watching.
This is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere I belong.